child, look how long that wig is. It's past my butt. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? It's almost Christmas. Alright y'all, so today I have another wig review for you guys. This wig was sent over by WigTypes. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. I really do appreciate it. If you don't know what WigTypes is, it's an online beauty supply store. You can buy wigs, you can buy anything beauty. So the wig I'm talking about today, I'm going to be reviewing the Sensational Cloud9 Swiss Lace Chelsea wig, and I have the color number 2. I definitely have some things to tell you guys about this wig before you purchase, because you know, it might be for you, it might not be for you. Who knows? I'm going to show you guys how I put this wig on. Then I'm going to wrap it up with my final thoughts. But you all know the drill. Before you get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's down there. Boop, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for me. And let's go ahead and jump into this.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
Miss Chelsea. So again, this is the Sensational Chelsea wig. I have the color number 2. So if you're not familiar with Sensational, this is a synthetic wig. This wig right here, it's from the Cloud9 Swiss Lace collection. What that means is you're going to get all this parting space in the front, so you can part your wig anywhere you like. I chose to go ahead and go in the middle, but you get a lot of parting space in here. You can part it on the side, and you can part it on this side. So you're only going to get 6 inches going back, and it's 13 inches going across your hairline. So this wig is supposed to be from the What Lace collection. We all know the What Lace. If you're familiar with Sensational Synthetic What Lace wigs, we love those wigs. This wig is supposed to have a pre-plucked hairline. I'm just going to go ahead and jump into that. The hairline to me on this wig is not really that plucked. It's pretty dense. It's pretty dense, especially for this collection. It's not really all that What Lace to me. I feel like this What Lace is a little different than the What Laces that I know from about 2 years ago. I feel like they're getting a little bit different. I remember in my Zelina wig review, I did say that Sensational gave us a cul-de-sac, but I feel like the parting space on these What Lace collections are just getting really smaller. I feel like they used to be a little bit wider, but who knows? Maybe that's just me. Comment below if you guys feel like that. Also, I feel like the caps are a little tighter. I mean, the cap does fit, but you definitely have to make sure that your hair is flat. I just have like 2 ponytails and I slicked it down and put a wig cap on. But the wig to me, it's a little tight. I mean, it is coming down all the way down to the sides, but I don't know. It's just a little little different than what I remember it to be. I did go in with a little bit of baby hairs. I did it because this is a wavy wig, so I was just like, it kind of works for the style, but you kind of don't even really need it if you're gonna wear it in the middle. I did also go in with some foundation underneath my lace. That was just to kind of make it look a little bit more like scalp, and I also did go in with a little bit of powder. I did go in with my contour to kind of match up the lace a little bit because the lace is a little white, so you do have to darken it or match it to your complexion. As far as the length goes, this is what she's looking like. This wig is long, y'all. It's a lot of layers in here. It's long. This is not even what it's looking like. Like in the back, it's definitely longer. Ooh, child, look how long that wig is. It's past my butt. So the wig is coming down like this as far as the length goes. So this is inches. If you need inches, this is inches. How do I feel about this wig? I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all how I feel about this wig. I recently reviewed Butter Lace 15. That was a downgrade of this wet lace collection. I think I've told you guys before that there's the wet lace and there's the butter lace. The butter lace is gonna have a standard part. Honestly, guys, I would go with more of a butter lace unit. To be honest with you, I do love the improvements with the hair fibers. The texture feels great. It's actually softer than these sensational wigs that we know before. It feels really good. It's actually really soft. It feels kind of human hairy, but the issue with this wig that I'm just not really feeling is that it's gonna tangle. It's a synthetic wig, and I think if you're used to synthetic wigs, you know that synthetic and curls and all that and movement is gonna tangle. I've took pictures with this wig, I've shot some videos, and as I'm doing that, the wig is kind of fraying out. It's getting really tangly. I definitely cannot run my fingers through it, but that's expected. But all this pattern right here is just getting really tangling on me really quick. I was debating if I wanted to do middle or the side part, but when you start maneuvering this wig, it's gonna start to get all, you know, synthetic-y and start getting all frayed and all that stuff. So it's just gonna start acting up. So you need to put her in one place and keep her right there. That's what you need to do. Sit her down in one spot and keep her right where she needs to be. And I decided to keep her in the middle. That's what we gonna do. We gonna sit pretty in the middle, okay? So this is not a wig that I feel is gonna last for a long time. And the fact that it's $60, I don't know. Y'all decide what y'all want to do with your $60, but I would rather go with a butter lace unit. Maybe butter lace number 3. This is definitely giving me butter lace number 3 as opposed to butter lace 15 because of the pattern of these waves. It's a nice pattern, but it's a little looser. It's more like crimp waves or something. It's like loose waves. So it's a pretty pattern. Y'all gonna be mad at what I'm about to say, but I don't know if I really like this wig, y'all. I don't know. I'm not really feeling this wig. I've been having a lot of wigs that I'm loving lately, but I'm not really feeling this wig. It's just, I need to get my money's worth. At the end of the day, these synthetic wig companies are going up on these prices, and I feel like it's not fair. It's not fair. So do what you feel like you need to do with your money, but this one right here is just not hitting for me the way I thought it would hit. I did also go in with a lot of products to maintain this frizz and maintain the fact that it's synthetic. You cannot run your fingers through this wig a lot. You just kind of have to kind of set it, leave it alone. This is a good picture wig. I mean, you might have a photo shoot or something coming up. Who knows? It's a good look wig, but I don't know if I want to pay $60 for a look. I did have to go in with some synthetic wig spray, and I also went in with my serum, my normal go-to, but I had to go in with harder products. Off camera, I did go in with a little bit of coconut oil. I had to bust out the coconut oil, y'all, because this wig needs taming. So I went in with coconut oil, and I did use this Lotta Body mousse, and I did use some water, okay? So you need to do what you need to do to maintain the frizz, maintain the wig. Listen, this wig is a whole vibe, okay? Don't get me wrong. This wig is a vibe. This wig is pretty. My pictures are bomb. My pictures look really good, but just for me, I don't feel like it's worth it. The fact that it's gonna tangle is my issue. But I always try to keep it 100 with y'all and let y'all know how I really feel. I'm not gonna sell you a wig just because somebody sent it to me. That's just not how I roll. And this is not a wig that I would go back and buy. I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if you will buy this wig. I'm really not trying to like say bad things about it, but I'm just not feeling it. for the simple fact of how tangly it's getting. Maybe if the price was a little bit lower, I would like it more, but I need to get longevity out of my wigs, and I don't feel like this is gonna give it to me. Sorry. If you like my nails, I got these nails off Amazon. I thought they were really cute. I saw it off another YouTuber. I'm definitely here for my press-ons. Check the description below if you like the nails. Y'all know, y'all be asking me these questions. And if you like my Lippie, this is Lady Balls from Too Faced. Thanks again, WigTypes, for sending over this wig. I really do appreciate you guys. Give this video a thumbs up for me, especially for the honesty. If you appreciate it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.